This is eBay seller Grinning Lion doing a brief demonstration of the Pioneer CT-M6R cassette player and recorder. I've got it set up to record, and we'll do a little bit on side 2 and then a little bit on side 1 so we can test the auto reverse. Now the auto reverse does not work when you're recording, but you can switch it manually, as you'll see. So we start the music, hit record for that direction, and then switch directions. And now we'll do playback. And it may play a little bit of something else that was already on the second side. Okay. Obviously was really close to the end of the tape. So there we go. And then we can skip to the second tape. And play that. While the night birds sing, we will... And the third. Fourth. Which apparently there's nothing on. And then you can rewind all of them. Which it'll take a little time to do because it has to switch each cassette in and out. But there you go, there's our demonstration.